Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review. In today's video we're going to go ahead and take a look at the LG Harmony 2 right here. We're going to go ahead and take a deeper dive into what is the LG Harmony 2 with the beautiful Cricket tramp stamp. Yes guys, so let's go ahead and leave a like if you love the Cricket tramp stamp. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you like about this video or any other videos that I've made or any other content that you want to see come to the channel. So here we are with the LG Harmony 2. Alright, so first off the bat, we got the 5.3-inch display screen. We do have a 3000 milliamp battery in here, or actually is it 2800, 3000, either way. It's a quad-core processor, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage right there. We do have a micro USB right there. We do have a headphone jack at the bottom. We do have a noise canceling mic down there, or actually a regular mic, and then we do have our noise canceling mic up there. Seems kind of heavy in the hand, so that's that. It does come with just a wall wart. You got your wall wart, you got your cable, and then you got your little flimsy ejection tool, which looks like they could have included a staple that you can fold on your own. That's another video though. That man, they don't include much in the box whatsoever nowadays, guys. You know. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. So you do get on the back, you do get your camera right there, you do get your flashlight, LED light, you do get your power button with your fingerprint sensor right there, and you do get your big old Cricket tramp stamp, which you guys know and love. I think I'm just going to do a review of the Cricket tramp stamp one of these days. You get your LG branding right down there, and then you get your speaker down at the bottom. Sorry about that guys, Lil John was getting just a little bit too hype. He loves these LG phones, you know. Anyways, so moving on. We do have your Google Assistant and your Google feed right there. Moving over to your left and then moving over to your right, you just have more apps right there. I did load my Gmail on here, so that's that. So basically there is no home screen. Now you can select it to have a home screen, which I do like to have. So let's go ahead and go into that, and actually so I can go over the applications. I don't know, it just feels weird to me when I don't have that thing right there. So let's go ahead and go into that. So we're going to go into the home screen, and then we're going to go into select home and app drawer. So there we go. So for those of you that do not love the app drawer, sorry, but I do. Alright, so we're going to go ahead right there into the app drawer, and we do have your essentials right there. We have your quick memo, your clock, your calendar, your tasks, your music, your calculator, your email, your audio recorder, and your Next Radio. Next Radio is pretty dope because you can just listen to radio stations with just headphones, which is pretty awesome because when towers go down, hey, you can at least listen to the radio. You got your smart cleaning, you got your downloads, you got your Smart World, LG Smart World, and you got your file manager right there. You got all your Google applications that you can ever need. Gmail, Slides, Sheets, Docs, Google, Chrome, Maps, YouTube, Drive, Play Music, Play Movies and TV, Duo, and Photos. You got your Play Store right there, obviously. You got your phone dialer, you got your messaging, you got your camera, you got your gallery, you got your settings, which LG has lots and lots of tons of settings. You got your contacts right there, you got your Amazon shopping, you got your Facebook, and you got your MyCricket. One cool feature that I do like about LG phones is the double tap to turn on, double tap to turn off. I'll never get tired of that feature. That's one cool feature that I would love to see come to more phones. Obviously it's more of an LG feature. So I have seen it on other phones, but I think it's something like proprietary to them that, you know, other companies have to kind of ask them if they want to use it or not. So if you slide down there, obviously this is what you get. This thing is running Oreo right there out of the box for sure. So let's go ahead and just take a peek at that real quick. We're going to go over to general. We're going to go move on down. We're going to go to about phone. And then we're going to go ahead and take a look at the software, not software update. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the software info. And it is running 8.1.0 Oreo. So cool with that. basically, guys. So if you want to do your messaging, that's your message. What your messaging looks like right there. We can go ahead and go into something right there, so you can look at what the keyboard would look like right there for your LG keyboard. Kind of, that's what it looks like. I'm not a big fan of the LG keyboard. I would actually probably just put Gboard on here, but that's what. There you go. That's what the keyboard would look like. Obviously, LG's keyboard and everything about an LG really is customizable. So this review would go hours and hours and hours long if I were to show you every single aspect of this phone, because there's a lot of customization that can be done on the LG front, which is pretty cool. To me, I'm not really big of customization guy, so maybe LG gets a bad rap with me. But here goes the front camera right there. I am recording with the Moto E5 Supra, which I love that phone. So let's go ahead and take some pictures right there, and you could do rapid succession fire right there. Let's see, can you do a front flash? Yep. Basically what it does, it just basically gives you like a little bit of a flash right there. We're going to go ahead and turn the camera around real quick and take some pictures like that. And I guess you can also, you can't hold it. You can only hold it in, that was weird. So I guess you can hold it in selfie mode, but you can't hold it to take, oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Take shot after shot. Alrighty. And then also, let's see what your flash looks like right there. There's your flash on the camera. So there you are. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these shots that we have. Actually, let's go ahead and take a look at some of these settings. Obviously, we got your cheese, we got your scan QR code, different things that you can actually do with this device right there. You can actually pick different filters, which is awesome. You could pick auto, or you can do flash jump cut, which is pretty cool. That's nice. So yeah, guys, there's a lot of little functions and features that you can actually use with this LG Harmony 2. Now, I did say this phone is like meh phone or whatever, jokingly and everything like that, but I think for what it is, I think it's a good phone. It's just the price that kind of bugs me about this phone. Now, as of the recording, this phone is going to be $140 plus a $25 activation fee or reactivation fee or upgrade fee. So you're looking at $174, which I do have the receipt in the box. I did purchase this phone, $174. So that's quite a bit of money for this phone, I think. Now, once this phone goes down in price with a port-in special or upgrade fee or anything like that, once the phone does go down in price, like to about, I'd say about $100, $80, maybe even $60, $50, I think this phone would be a great buy and a steal for anybody that's looking for a phone with a form factor of a 5.3-inch display. So my opinions are solely based on what is available at the moment, and $140 plus $25 activation fee for $174. I just cannot really recommend this phone at this time. Now, later on, when this phone goes down in price, then I'll have like a reconsideration or whatnot. But obviously, guys, if you're an LG fan and you really love the LG Harmony brand, or the prior LG Harmony, or the LG Harmony 2 for that matter, you know what I'm saying, it's your decision, your money, obviously, and you might like this phone that much that you pick it up. Either way, let me know in the comments below if that is your case. So let's go ahead and take a look at Google here. Let's go ahead and take a look at YouTube. Let's go ahead and go to a video. We're going to go ahead and go to F-Zero, as we always do on this channel, just to avoid copyright, because I know it's not copyrighted. And we're going to go to hear some music real quick, hear what it sounds like. Let's go ahead and test the first one off here. Alright. So that's what your YouTube experience is kind of going to be like out of the box. Obviously, they update YouTube. Backfiring speaker, which I'm not a fan of. Is this speaker bad? I wouldn't say it's bad. I wouldn't say it's the loudest speaker in the world, but it is backfiring speaker, so you do kind of lose that effectiveness on your music. So if you're like one of those music files that you gotta have a nice sounding phone, and you don't use headphones, which I don't know why you wouldn't, but I would recommend headphones for any phone that you're using really, or a Bluetooth speaker. But this thing does fire out the back right there off these two little speakers right there. It is one piece. It is one solid piece basically. This thing is not going to be, it's one solid piece of phone, so it doesn't feel like it's going to crack or bend or anything like that. So I do give it kind of some points on being, pretty solid feeling in the hand and all that stuff. It does have a nice little texturized back, so you're not going to scratch this thing up. As you can see, guys, it does have like a nice little texture to it. So fingerprints are going to be kind of minimal right there. But yeah, so my overall impressions of this phone thus far, I think it's pretty solid. Like I said, for the price, I think they're asking for a little bit too much. I do like the fact that it's 32 gigabytes of storage. I did see it lag from time to time already, just kind of switching through apps and all that. I don't think this is going to be for like your power users, but for somebody that just likes the Harmony 2 or the Harmony and the whole series and wants a 5.3-inch display, which is a little bit on the small side for me, to be honest with you guys. But if you want something that's 5.3-inch display, you don't mind the bigger bezels and all that stuff, and you don't need the 18:9 aspect ratio, or you don't need full HD, or you don't need like a big old battery like the LG X Power, then I could recommend this to you guys when the price drops. Anyways, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. Like I said, the settings, there's got to be too many settings to go into. You got your LG Air Drive right there. I guess I'll go over a few right there. You got your sound profile, you got your volume, you got your ringtone, you got your Ring ID. So when somebody calls, it's going to actually say their name. Flash alerts right there. You got your Do Not Disturb. You got your sound quality and effects. You got your DTS-X 3D sound. Obviously, that's when you have headphones in, so that's going to be nice to have right there. Vibrate on tap. Look, I mean, there's just so many customizations, which is good. You can make the font bigger or smaller right there. So let's go ahead and apply that real quick. You can go to home touch buttons. You can actually make the touch buttons different, show and lock, hide icons. I mean, there's so much comfort, view, brightness, auto. There's so many things that you can actually do with an LG phone. It's ridiculous, which is really, really, really nice. You got your battery right there. Just go ahead and take a look at the internal storage. That's probably one thing that I should have been looking up. You do have 7.83 gigabytes of storage right there. That is filled up at the moment, so you are getting 24 gigabytes of onboard storage. And let's see here, accessibility. Let's go ahead and look through accessibility real quick from my boy Tech Rants. So you do have vision right there. You got your talkback. You got your font, display, touch zoom, window zoom, large mouse pointer, high contrast screen, grayscale. You got your hearing. You got your motor cognition. You got your select to speak. You got your switch access. Yeah, you got lots and lots and lots of stuff. You got your gaming right here. Game tools, game graphics, break time. You got your knock-on codes and all that goodness. You got your language, date and memory, backup, restart, and all that other goodness. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up because I don't want this to be like 30 minutes long on a review video. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and leave that big fat thumbs up if you do like that video or this video, and let me know what I did and what I did wrong in the video. Go ahead and hit hashtag LG Harmony 2 in the comments if you did reach the end of the video. Love you guys. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Bye.